Though successes have been recorded in the counter-insurgency operations by the military in the northeast, collateral damage remains a challenge in the ongoing push to isolate the insurgents. Reviewing its operations in the past, the Chief of Defense Staff, who was represented, said there is a need to enhance planning capability of the armed forces to curb the unexpected excesses of personnel. Hence, this training in collaboration with the British Military Training and Advisory Team.
They will give us their own experiences over several years and different theaters of operation. So they are here to share these ideas with us so that once we go into operations, we will know how to mitigate the use of force so that those that are not supposed to be casualties will not be.
By bringing out a team from the United Kingdom who are experts in targeting and in collateral damage estimation, we hope the course will be equally applicable to officers of the Nigerian Army, the Air Force and the Nigerian Navy.
Another area of concern is the protection of civilians by the military in conflict areas. To this end, the Nigerian Armed Forces initiated a high-level dialogue with the Center for Civilians in Conflict, CIVIC, on strengthening civilian protection policy and practice during security operations. The dialogue seeks to achieve three things, which are a national policy on harm mitigation during military operations, providing tools and processes to reinforce training of personnel as regards civilian harm mitigation, and providing forces with lessons from the situation in the Northeast and Niger Delta.
It is our duty in all our operations to respect the dignity of our civilian population, observe human rights, and avoid the use of deadly force in all our internal security operations as much as we can.
CIVIC works with organizations and governments and militaries around the world to provide better protection to civilians in armed operations. So we're working with the Nigerian government right now to build capacity and a partnership in order to better protect civilians in northeast Nigeria.
Elsewhere, a sensitization campaign was launched by the armed forces on value system and reorientation in line with the federal government's "Change Begins With Me" mantra.
The soldier with a good attitude is going to be loyal, disciplined, patriotic, and thus a better fighter for the common good of Nigeria.
The exercise will be conducted in two phases, covering 16 centers across the 6 geopolitical zones with town hall meetings for junior and senior personnel. In Abuja, Isaac Nkuma, NTA News.